I was working today, going through a really hard day, and then I suddenly got a message from one of my friends to come check this Tpms system out. And it just happened to be the Ngauge Tpms system. These are the sensors right here, and they connect to your phone wirelessly via Bluetooth. So when you open the box, you'll see a small barcode, and in the app, once you've downloaded it, you just click the plus button and it'll give you options of how to add it. Select the barcode, scan the barcode, and it'll add all 4 sensors to your app. It's as simple as that. And installing them is also simple. All you do is put the sensor in, and there's a small bolt that you need to tighten just so that the air doesn't leak out. And once that's done, then you're sorted, you're on the right path, and from there it's downhill. Very easy install. So up next you'll see me filling up the tire pressure, and we actually use the app to get the exact pressure in real time, which is really nice, and you're going to see that in this video. So over here you see us starting to fill the tire pressure up, and as soon as it picks up pressure you hear that alarm that comes on, the notification, which is really good, and you'll see this for all 4 tires. I'm going to speed it up so that it doesn't take 15 minutes to go through this video, but you can actually move the tires around, as you can see over here, and you can also change the name. The good thing about being able to change the name of the sensor is when it comes to time of rotating your tires, you don't have to go through the whole process again of having to take out the sensor and having to put it back. You simply rotate the tires and you change the name. Okay, so we just finished the install of the Ngauge tire pressure monitoring system, and many people would have asked, where's the screen? You know, you used to tire pressure monitoring systems with screens, and sorry if my aircon is causing a bit of a wind noise, but this one actually works with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can actually see all the details of your tires over here. You can scroll through. So we can see the front left is at 1.83 bar, front right 1.76. I'll balance it nicely when I get to base. The rear left 1.78, the rear right 1.7. And you can see the temperatures over there as they change, and it's quite nice. I'm assuming all the information will also be routed through the radio system if there's any alarms or anything, so this is quite cool. And you can see they sell other sensors which I don't have connected on now, but I'm going to look more into this company because it's quite cool. I mean, even a battery thing and then miscellaneous, so that's quite cool. Tpms built in now. Awesome. I've always wanted this in a car and I didn't know I could do this. So that's a wrap for this video. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. And if it's your first time on this channel, subscribe, stay tuned. There's more awesome mods coming and it's going to be awesome. Cheers. Special thank you to Tiger Wheel and Tire Warmer. If you're in Port Elizabeth region and you need to fit tires or anything, or you want to fit the same system, go there, look for a guy called Jose. He's an awesome guy. He will help you out and he'll give you everything you need. Until next time, cheers.